Hey friends, if you wish to clear Discord cache in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's what you have to do. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type percentage app data percentage and hit enter. Now you will have to find Discord in this list. If you do not find it, go to the app data page and go to local. Okay. Do you find Discord here? Nonetheless, even if it doesn't exist, you can simply right click and click delete the cache folder, or you can simply delete all these three folders in app data. See, here's the thing: if you have Discord on your computer, it will build cache as and when you use it. So if you haven't used it, you won't find the cache folder, but you can always delete the complete app data folder for this matter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.